thiền đun pani an lo langa anin bia pakat sok chuan. I'm going to Delhi. Would you like to come with me? Delhi kakaldona karualin hilokal veduem antia athen pa chuan. When and what are you going to do? Eng tika nge enge iti don ti in halo sota. Ani chuan next week I'm planning to get something for sale. Karlia til enga mazor tour la katuma antia athian pa chuan. Okay, just a moment, I'll ask my parents, then I'll update to you. Ole look in kanule pa te kan so tanga kalau thileng che antia. Okay, call them right away because I want to book a ticket now. Ole tu na call ngala achan tu ticket la kadu ngala antia athian pa chuan purse chun. Sure, hold on a second. Te renge lock in o antia. Ti chuan hanu te chu call in an bia han lo phal hlau me athian pa hena chun. Yes, my parents allowed me to go with you. Oh, kanule pa te chuan hiruala kal chuan phale antia athian pa chuan. Wow, very good. Come with me, let's book a ticket first. Wow, tralutuk local ro ticket book thua yang ticket book masang antia. Okay, wait a second, I'll dress up first. I haven't washed my face too. Ole look in kamai po kalap hi reng reng lo antia ani chuan man mo tak chuan. Come on, chop chop, you're gonna be late. Ti te khai man mo ro kan tlai ron nia antia. Ti chuan ticket la tur chuan han kalta thian pa chuan. Come on, let's go by taxi. Local ro taxi in kalang antia. Taxi chuan han hangkal don ta chu ti chuan taxi chu an para. Hi taxi, can you drop me flight booking counter please? Hi taxi, thona ticket lak na min hruai thayem khonga in antia. Taxi driver chuan nui vara lo changin. Of course, come inside. Te renge lo lu ro ti in halo changa. An lu ma chuan aman za te chu an zot tuak tuaka. How much and how far from here? Eng zange nia heta tang hian eng tia hlange antia. Taxi driver chuan. That's 120 and it will take only 20 minutes, depends on the traffic. Za somni ania minute somni vel chia aniang traffic jam le jam lo azirin antinui vara. Ti chuan taxi driver ne chuan in befelta. That's fine, you go ahead. A try kalang le antia. Taxi driver chuan an thut fel nu chuan. Don't forget to wear seat belt. Sure, otherwise you'll get fine. Kapu seat belt ka ren thai hil lo la ani lo chuan kan chaw yangai mayang antia. "20 minutes later, minutes somni nuwa chuan ti chuan an kaldu na hun chu han thleng ta. Chuk pa chon nice drive bro. Here you are and keep the change as well. Khal thiam khop mai unau pa. Hey la role akir kha chu nei mai ro antia. Driver chuan nui sang polite tak chuan. Thanks bro, appreciate that, have a nice day. Talome unau pa iti thatak set ani nimhan nuam le aron tinui vara. Thona ticket lak na mun chu an thleng ta ticket te chu an han la dona. Counter chuan nuvalai chu lo omin. Hi ma'am, we'd like to book a flight ticket. Hi kapi, thona ticket lak kan dua antia. Chu nu chuan nui varin of course where and when you would like to take a ticket. Te renge khoya nge chuan eng hun nge in lak tu. Alo ti nui vara. Ni chuan lim nui sang chuan here to Delhi and if possible next Friday. Heta tanga Delhi ania a thei chuan ka leisure top ni an han tia his morning or evening and for how many person. Jing lam nge lai lam chuan mi eng za tan nge an lo ti nui vara. That's for 2 person and which one is better either morning or evening. Mi pani ta na nia jing lam nge lai lam tha jok tin chu nu chuan sort later ani chuan is up to you whenever comfortable, that's fine. I thu thu ani mai nang ma ni nuamin ti hun kha tra chu ni mai an tia anin ngai tu avang fanga. Okay, I think morning is better for us. Could you tell me what time it is? Ole kan tan chuan jing kha atrang dareng za tenge ni a an tia nui sang polite tak chuan there are 3 options in the morning. That's 7:30, 9:30 and 10:45 a.m. Which one is the best time for you, sir? Jing lama hian du thlan tur pathum ma chung te chu sari le chan ve ku le chan ve le som le linga te an nia khoi hinge in ta na thaber niang kapu an lo ti nui sanga. Well, we'll get that. 10:45 a.m. for 2 persons and near the window. Is it direct flight or one stop? A try. Dar som le linga kha mi pani dan kan lo duang e. Chuan tuk verbal ni se. Chuan kan thlok lang don nge voi khat chol, voi khat din. Chu ti chuan nui var chunga ron chang le tin one stop at Kolkata. And I'm sorry to inform you that if you're gonna select your specific seat, that will be extra charge 304 per head. Kolkata voi khat indingang chuan apoi ka ti hle mai thutna du bi in thlandon chuan mi pakhat tan cheng za thum pek bel angai ani alo tia ni chuan nui sangin no problem, go ahead and book near the window for us. Apoi lo kan tan tuk verbal chu book me ro antia. Okay then, are you going to pay by cash or how is it? Ole asawe cash in nge in pek don eng tin nge antia. I'll pay by cash. By the way, what flight is it? Cash in kalau peang heng po chuni se eng thlo na beronge antia. Suti chuan counter alo om nu chuan nui sang le polite tak chuan. Okay, your flight name is Indigo. Ole it thlo na hing chu Indigo ani e. Hello tia. An ticket tu ron lek chuak pa chuan. Here your ticket. Have a nice flight. Hey, in ticket chule. Isin nuam mule. Hello tia. Nui sang ala pa chuan thanks. You too. Have a wonderful day. Lo me nang po nim han nuam tak zet le. Anti ve a.